All right, this is Miss Anders again, and this is the last property we're going to talk about for now. And this is the power property. You're going to see the power property probably more often than you will see any other property. Now, the power property allows you to take an exponent and get it out of the exponent position and move it to the front of your logarithm, which is really convenient because it helps with simplification. So here, if our exponent is n, we can rewrite it as n times log base b of m. Now, the only thing about that is that you have to put the n at the very beginning of the logarithm. You can't put it at the front of the m. So you can't write this as log base b n m. That's off limits. It has to go out front. Now, let's look at examples 13 through 15, and for those we are going to condense. So we're going to take those numbers out front and we're going to make them into exponents. So notice how in number 13 we have a 3 out front, so we can write that as log 6 cubed, which reduces to log, let's see, 6 cubed is 216. Number 14 has a 1/2 out front, so we can write that as log base 4 81 to the 1/2. And anything to the 1/2 power is the same thing as a square root. So this is the same thing as log base 4 square root of 81, and the square root of 81 is 9. And then number 15, we can take this whole grouping and make it into an exponent. So we can have natural log of 4 to the x minus 1. And we're just going to leave it like that. So for 16 through 18, we're working the other way, and we're going to expand. So we're going to take the exponent and move it out front. So this is going to become x log 2 to the log base 2 of 5. Number 17, we have to realize that anything that has a cube root can also be written to the 1/3. So we can rewrite this as 2x plus 1 to the 1/3, which will allow us to move this exponent here of 1/3 out to the front. So it's 1/3 natural log 2x plus 1. Now 18 can be done a few different ways. I'm going to do it the simplest way and realize that the 64 is on the denominator. And if I want to move the 64 up off of the denominator, I can rewrite this as log base 6 of 64 to the -1. And that would give me a -1 as my exponent. So then I could take the -1 and move it to the front. -1 log base 6 of 64. So this requires you to understand your properties of exponents and to understand your properties of logarithms.